I want you to imagine waking up this morning, no alarm clock, no boss, living life on your terms. A true life by design. My name is Eric Ellis Jr. And if you would have told me 2 years ago that I would be living this life, I would have told you you're insane. However, 12 months ago, I made the most important decision of my life. The day I decided to drop out of school, fire my boss, and pursue becoming a digital entrepreneur. Fast forward to today, within the last 12 months, I went from being a typical broke college dropout to doing just that. I wake up every day, no alarm clock, traveling from country to country, living life on my terms, living a true life by design. A life of time, location, and financial freedom. How? I learned a simple and duplicatable skill set that has allowed me to live the laptop lifestyle. So simple and easy, even a high school educated college dropout can do it. Now, I travel the world full time, work 2 to 4 hours per week, and teach others like yourself to duplicate my success. And to share the wealth, I created a free book that will teach you how simple it is to achieve the same exact results very quickly, and how you can finally escape corporate slavery and live the laptop lifestyle. I promise you, this will be the most important book you've ever read. So don't miss this, because it won't be available for long. If you're serious about living a life of time, location, and financial freedom, stop thinking, take action, and claim your life by design.